You know that feeling when something looks small on the outside. But the moment you step inside, it completely changes your idea of what's possible. That's exactly what just happened here. Because this right here is the 2026 Model Z2900, a compact prototype RV that's rewriting the rules of what under 30 feet can do. Sleek, intelligent, surprisingly luxurious. And yes, this pre-production design is going wild with new ideas we've never seen before. Today, we're getting an exclusive first look inside this next-generation travel machine built for people who want to go farther, live smarter, and never feel cramped again. So buckle up, because the 2026 Model Z2900 is about to prove that big adventures really can come in small packages. Let's start on the outside, because from a distance, you'd never guess what's hiding inside this thing. The Z2900 measures just 29 feet long, making it ideal for national parks, tight campgrounds, or even long-term touring. But look closer, and you'll see a design that feels more automotive than traditional RV. Up front, a bold aerodynamic nose cap with LED signature lighting, designed not just to turn heads but also to cut through wind efficiently. The entire body features composite sidewalls, ultra-light yet strong enough to resist flex, meaning less sway and more stability on the road. And for a prototype, the finish is stunning, matte graphite gray, trimmed with brushed silver and a low-profile roofline. It's sleek, modern, and honestly, looks more like a concept vehicle than a camper. Along the passenger side, there's a full-length electric awning, outdoor speakers, and a hidden pop-up kitchen hatch, a new feature that lets you prep and serve outside without opening the main cabin. And here's a detail most people will miss: flush-mounted windows, frameless, that not only improve aerodynamics but also make the whole RV look like it was sculpted in one piece. Compact, yes. But this thing screams innovation. Open the door. And this is where the Z2900 really shocks you. Gone are the cramped corners you expect from small RVs. Instead, you walk into an open, minimalist living space that feels more like a studio apartment than a camper. Natural light floods in through panoramic windows on both sides, and with the new skylight roof panel, daylight spills across the entire lounge area. The color scheme? Soft grays, light oak, and matte black accents, giving it a clean, contemporary vibe straight out of Scandinavian interior design. Front and center, a convertible lounge zone with a wraparound sofa, stowable table, and hidden storage under every cushion. At night, that whole setup transforms into a queen bed with just a single lever pull. The craftsmanship here is impressive: magnetic cabinetry closures, soft-touch panels, and curved edges that eliminate that boxy RV feel. To your left, the galley kitchen, compact but fully equipped, dual induction burners. A 12V compressor fridge. Smart sink with retractable faucet. Even a hidden dishwasher drawer, yes, in a 29-foot RV. And every appliance runs off a 48V lithium system, paired with a roof full of solar panels. No generator needed. No hookups required. Across the hall, the mid-bath layout is beautifully done with a glass shower, vessel sink, and motion sensor lighting. Even the mirror hides a small digital display showing your water and power levels. It's functional. It's futuristic. And it's proof that small doesn't mean sacrificed. Now let's move to the back, because the Z2900 saves the best for last. A sliding smart partition separates the rear bedroom, giving you privacy when needed. Inside, there's a north-south bed orientation, meaning you can walk around both sides, rare in anything under 30 feet. Soft-touch headboard, ambient LED lighting, dual reading lamps, and my favorite touch, a stargazer skylight right above the bed. Imagine waking up to the sunrise, without even leaving your pillow. Under the bed? Massive storage bays on hydraulic lifts. And hidden under the floor, a climate-regulated battery compartment and modular freshwater tank, both easily serviceable. Even the air conditioning vents are redesigned, low-profile linear vents that diffuse air evenly, so there are no hot or cold spots. You can tell this prototype wasn't built just for show, it's been engineered for real-world adventure. Underneath the style and comfort, the Z2900 packs serious brains. It's running on a smart grid control system, allowing you to manage lighting, climate, and tank levels through a central touchscreen or your phone. There's built-in 5G connectivity, OTA updates, and voice control for all major functions. The RV sits on a dual-axle torsion suspension, giving it a smoother ride and higher ground clearance than most travel trailers. And because it's a lightweight composite frame, total dry weight is under 7,000 pounds, easily towable by most half-ton trucks or SUVs. You also get an optional off-grid package with 800 Ah lithium power, 600 W solar, and an inverter capable of running a C-off battery for up to 6 hours. So yeah, this compact prototype? It's basically a mobile tech lab for modern explorers. Compared to traditional compact RVs like the Airstream Caravelle or Winnebago Micro Mini, the Z2900 feels less retro and more revolutionary. It's not just about saving space, it's about redefining how space works. Every corner has a dual purpose. Every system is smarter, lighter, and cleaner. And while this is still a pre-production prototype, if the final version stays even 80% true to what we're seeing here, it's going to shake up the entire lightweight RV segment. So what do you think? Would you trade a few feet of size for this kind of design and innovation? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to know if this compact revolution is your style or if you still prefer the big rigs. The 2026 Model Z2900 is a glimpse of the future where small doesn't mean simple and minimal doesn't mean basic. It's smart, efficient, and full of soul, made for travelers who want to go everywhere but take only what they need. If you enjoyed this first look, hit that like button and subscribe for more next-gen RV reveals. And as always, thanks for watching Luxury RV Explorer, where design meets adventure. Until next time, travel smart, stay curious, and keep exploring.